let's talk about the possibility to write a content with AI. So it's content generation. So I will start from the option number one, when you can write a content using the content template. So here you have button AI writing, and you can just use one of the available templates here to generate content. So let's start, for example, from description. So description is just a description on the page level. So we are optimizing or building the page, and we need just a page description. And in the page description, you have the terms that we are giving to you. So Neuron already understand what terms should be in the description. And we also have few examples from your competitors. So, well, I will just use generate. And as you can see here, we will have a few examples of description that can be used. Yes, so I will just copy this to editor just to check which are good ones. Yes, so I would say like this is quite good one. So I will just use this one, adding here as a meta. I just went from a title. We have a description as well. So we have a title and description, both generated with the AI, and I just improved them a little bit. And then let's say we need some kind of topic ideas for the article. Yeah, we can go for trial running shoes. And this is I would say this is just very basic. So we can look also for some kind of, ideas, what we should have as a H1, for example, and so on. So I will just set the first one. It's okay. We just copy everything, and from the first one, I will just make H1. And so what's next? I will just keep this here. So what next you can do in the AI writing? So as we said, you have a different templates. I will just look on the article intro. So how the article intro looks like. So you have here the main keyword or title, yes. It could be like trial running shoes, or we can take one of those, like what to look when buying trial running shoes. So I can just take this one. If you have specific keywords, you can add the keywords here. If you have some kind of bullet points, you can add them here. But I will just leave it like it is. So I will just give everything to AI, and I will say like creativity it's quite high or very high, which means it will be a little bit more content, um, less facts, more content, and I will just generate this article intro. Okay, so we have the article intro, and then we can just write next paragraphs and so on and so on. Yes, so that's something you can do. What are the options according to, for example, category description and so on? So we already have explained that yes, you need just a name, category description, category name, or product name, or a title, or a header, and so on. And then optionally, you can add some keywords, and you can add some bullet points or extra headers, which will be useful for content generation. Here you have the output that can be used for output generation. So you can say like, okay, I would like to shorter paragraph or longer category description, let's say. And here the creativity, as you can see here with the info, yes, with the tooltip, and the quality means that we have some options to align how the content should be created. So basically, that's all. The second option to generate the content is to generate the content with the context menu. So let's say you have here something like H2. So we have a header and we would like to just create content for this header. So we can just highlight the content. We can use AI writing and say like, okay, start the paragraph. Start paragraph, or how to choose the right pair of trial shoes, and we are using just generate, yes. So that's something that we can quite easy. And we have this paragraph, so it's here. And the third option is to use, and I will just explain you how to use it. It's use the content on the article draft. Okay, so if you are looking on the content draft for the headers level, you can choose a header, and this header will contain also following terms which can be used for the content creation. So you can just copy this to editor. You just copy it here. So you see what to look for a trailing issues. And if you use this beta generate, you will have the heading, you will have the keywords, and you can generate the content according to the headings and the keywords which are in specific paragraph. So that's basically this, the three options. The first option is to just generate content basically from the AI writing templates. The second one is to generate the content from a context menu. So here you have a context menu. And the third one is to generate the content from a beta generate, which is a generation with using the keywords from a draft. Thank you so much and have fun with content generation.